Ever pondered the hurdles educators face in lesson planning and engaging students? It's a complex issue, isn't it? The answer to this conundrum lies in the power of technology. Enter Curipod, an innovative educational platform that's here to revolutionize the teaching and learning experience. Curipod, backed by Sando Capital, is an AI-powered tool that transforms classrooms into dynamic, digitally interactive spaces. It's not just about digitizing the classroom, it's about invigorating the learning journey. Imagine having the ability to customize and deliver engaging lessons straight to student devices. That's the power of Curipod. But the innovation doesn't stop there. Teachers can pose open-ended questions and receive real-time responses from students. No more waiting until the end of the class to gauge understanding. With Curipod, every student's voice is heard, catering to different learning styles and fostering a more inclusive environment. Interactive lessons are the heart and soul of Curipod. Its AI-generated content, including interactive elements and discussion questions, creates a collaborative learning environment. Ready-made templates and slide decks save teachers valuable time in lesson preparation. The platform even allows for personalization and flexibility, enabling educators to add their own slides and content. Student participation is more than encouraged. It's amplified. Open-ended questions and drawing prompts invite students to actively engage, while feedback tools like exit tickets provide essential insight into student progress. Curipod's AI and deep learning algorithms take learning to the next level, offering a unique tech-enhanced experience. Accessibility is a key component of Curipod. It's usable on any internet-connected device, ensuring whole class involvement and helping to bridge the digital divide. Its interactive features, including PowerPoint presentations and quizzes, keep students engaged, with educators controlling the pace and content. The Curipod community is a hub of collaboration where educators can share ideas and resources. Backed by the Curipod team, this community thrives on innovation with regular updates based on feedback and the latest educational technology. Ready to be part of the Curipod revolution? Signing up is as simple as providing an email address. Start with a free account and explore private Curipods or district licenses with a simple code. The free plan offers core features, perfect for dipping your toes into the world of Curipod. For those seeking more, premium plans provide advanced features catering to various needs from individual teachers to entire school districts. In a nutshell, Curipod is a flexible and scalable solution that enhances educational experiences, boosts student engagement, and enriches learning journeys. Whether for full lessons or quick assessments, Curipod adds immense value to classrooms. It's time to embrace the future of education. It's time for Curipod.